Here we are back out in the blizzard. It's about 5:30. The snow has stopped, but the wind's blowing fierce. Snow's blowing all around. Still feels a little bit like it's snowing, but it's just the snow blowing from place to place that's already on the ground. We have 2 feet drift right in the driveway right now. You walk in one spot, it's feels like you're walking on about 8 inches of snow. Another spot might be 2 feet. Shoveling is going to be horrible. I can't see anybody, or at least myself, making it to work tomorrow under these conditions. Still have a lot of snow on the roof. Icicles are forming. And then we have Snow Dog, who isn't fazed at all by any of this. Here she comes, tromping through the snow. And now we take you to Buffalo, New York, which is where this is actually being filmed, 20817. Here comes a car, SUV. No problem driving through the snow. There's the wind.